Hey everyone, welcome to Python Code Nemesis. In today's video, we'll be understanding fetch types in database queries and employing eagle join with Python. Let's get started. Database queries are at the heart of any data-driven application. When optimizing your queries and fetching data differently, understanding fetch types, and exploring advanced techniques like eagle join can make a significant difference. In this article, we'll delve into query fetch types and demonstrate how to perform eagle joins using Python and SQL Alchemy. Fetch types in query. In database queries, the term fetch type refers to how query results are retrieved from the database. It plays a crucial role in determining the performance and efficiency of your queries. There are generally two fetch types: eager fetching and lazy fetching. Eager fetching is loading all related data associated with a query upfront. This means that not only the primary data but also related data is retrieved in a single query. While this can be efficient for small data sets or when you know you'll need all the related data, it can lead to performance issues when dealing with large data sets. Lazy fetching. Lazy fetching, on the other hand, retrieves only the primary data initially, deferring the loading of related data until it is explicitly requested. This process is more resource efficient and commonly used to avoid unnecessary database hits when dealing with a large or complex data structure. Let's see how we can control fetch types with Python and SQL Alchemy. In SQL Alchemy, you can specify the fetch type using the relationship function. To perform eager fetching, set the lazy parameter to joined or subquery. In this example, we define two tables, employee and departments, and establish a relationship between them. By setting, we enable eager fetching, lazy equals joined, for the department relationship, ensuring that the associated department is fetched in the same query when we query an employee. Lazy fetching is the default behavior in SQL Alchemy. To make it explicit, you can select lazy equals select when defining a relationship. With lazy select, the related department data is loaded only when you access the employee.department attribute. Eagle join in Python. Eagle join is an advanced database optimization technique that reduces the number of database queries by joining multiple related tables in a single query. This can significantly improve query performance when dealing with complex data models. Let's see how to perform an eagle join using Python and SQL Alchemy. From sqlalchemy.orm, import aliased. Employee alias is equals aliased employee. Department alias equals aliased department. Result session.query employee.department.join department alias and employee.department. Dot filter department name is equals it dot all. In this example, we use SQL Alchemy's aliased function to create aliases for the employee and department tables. Then we perform an eagle join by joining these aliases to fetch employees and their associated departments where the department name is IT. This reduces the number of database queries by joining multiple related tables in a single query. That's it for this article. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to Python Code Nemesis and feel free to leave questions or feedback in the comments. Have a great day. See you in the next one.